Welcome to the Fem Pepper channel, where women come to get information to be more prepared. In this video, I am going to go over a back-to-school kit for boys. In this kit, it will have items that your young man might need throughout the day in his school year. Although this school year is getting off to a different start with distance learning, at some point, our kids will be back in the classroom and in school, and this kit will help them to get through the day. Let's get started. Our first item in the kit are tissues. You never know when your child will need to blow their nose or wipe their hands or clean up something. These are always good to have in the kit. We also have headphones in the kit because our children are on their phones or tablets or computers, and the headphones can help them to either concentrate or to keep whatever it is that they're listening to themselves. We also have screen wipes that will keep their devices clean from their hands touching on it all the time. We also have chapstick to keep your lips from being dry. I also keep Purell or some type of hand sanitizer to use in between hand washings. If your kids are anything like mine, there are times where they'll leave the house and forget to put on their deodorant, or they may have to freshen up throughout the day because they play sports. I also have different types of hygiene items that your child might need throughout the day. I have some lotion, toothpaste, a toothbrush, and dental floss. Sometimes your kids might walk home in the dark because of the time change, and you want to make sure that they have the items needed to be able to see or to alert if they need safety. I also have a small amount of first aid and medicine to keep in the kit. We have alcohol wipes, antiseptic wipes, a Band-Aid, and triple antibiotic ointment in case they have some type of injury that they can patch up themselves. And I also keep Excedrin, Advil, Benadryl, and Imodium in case they either have an upset stomach or an allergic reaction, or they're in some type of pain. I also keep a nail clipper in there in case they need to clean their nails up throughout the day. Last but certainly not least, there's gum and mints. These two items are popular amongst school-age kids, and it's always nice to have in their kit for when they need it. In the comments below, please let me know the type of items that you keep in your kids' kit. If you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!